Oh hello there! The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be announced in a couple of hours, or maybe by the time I publish this video it might already have been announced. It depends on how soon can I make this video because I got this idea a bit late. In this video I will try to predict some features about the Galaxy Note 10 which haven't been confirmed, and then we'll see how much of them come true and how much of them are wrong. So number 1 would definitely be the 90Hz display. Samsung makes the 90Hz display for OnePlus 7 Pro and everyone is thinking that would they use it on the Note 10 phones? So my prediction is no. The Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro won't have the 90Hz display, but I think that the 5G version of the Note 10 Plus would feature this 90Hz display. But this is my prediction, could be wrong, could be right. The new Notes are supposed to have the new IP69 rating, and we know that there is no such thing as a IP69, but there is however a IP69K. So I predict that the Note 10 won't have the IP69K, but it will have a IP69 for which Samsung itself will specify the requirements. This thing at the top looks a whole lot like a IR blaster, but the Note 10 will also have a feature called Audio Zoom, which lets you zoom the audio when you zoom a recording video. It's kind of like these devices from TV shows, and the Galaxy Note 10 will use more than 2 mics for this feature. So this could very well be one of those mics and could even be a IR blaster. So I predict that this is a IR blaster and not a microphone for that. Next up, Bixby. Samsung has irritated us for 2 years with the Bixby button and now they have killed the Bixby button. But I predict that Samsung will still find a way to annoy us with Bixby. Maybe long press the power button or anything else, but I have a bad feeling that Samsung isn't done annoying us with Bixby buttons or Bixby. Next thing, the charger. The Note 10 family will have a 45-watt super fast charging, but there is one thing to figure out, that do we get the charger inside the box? So I think that we don't get the 45-watt charger inside the box for the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, but we might probably get the charger inside the box for the Note 10 5G. Let's see. I also think that Samsung will put a dongle inside the box and won't pull off a OnePlus. And that almost sums up my predictions for the Galaxy Note 10. Let's see how much of them are true. You can let me know your predictions and we will see how good are you in this game. Make sure to subscribe for more details about the Note 10. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. It was a new concept. I might do it again. And as always, thanks for watching.